Are you aware of the importance of mobile-first indexing in SEO? The digital landscape is rapidly evolving, and with it, the way search engines like Google index and rank websites. A key player in this evolution is mobile-first indexing. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is mobile-first indexing? Simply put, it's an approach where Google uses the mobile version of a website's content for indexing and ranking. As the name suggests, mobile comes first, but why is that? Well, consider this. The number of mobile users has skyrocketed over the past few years. More than ever, people are using their smartphones and tablets to browse the web, shop online, and access information. Recognizing this shift, Google decided to prioritize mobile-friendly content, aiming to provide a seamless and optimized search experience for this growing user base. But here's the crux. Mobile-first indexing doesn't mean that desktop versions are obsolete. Instead, it's a signal of the changing priorities in Google's indexing process. If your site doesn't have a mobile version, the desktop version will still be indexed. However, the lack of a mobile-friendly interface could impact your site's performance in search engine results. So, what does this all mean for you as a website owner or SEO professional? Simply put, if you want to keep up with the digital trends and maintain a competitive edge, you need to prioritize mobile optimization. From responsive design to mobile-friendly content, every aspect of your website should cater to the needs and preferences of mobile users. Mobile-first indexing is more than a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how search engines operate, and it's here to stay. So, whether you're a seasoned SEO expert or just starting, it's crucial to understand and incorporate this concept into your SEO strategy. Remember, mobile first doesn't mean mobile only. Google still uses a single index to catalog and rank websites. But with mobile-first indexing, the emphasis is on delivering a superior mobile experience. And that's where your focus should be if you want to succeed in today's digital world. So, why should you care about mobile-first indexing? Well, picture this. You've poured countless hours into perfecting your website, fine-tuning every detail to ensure it's functional, engaging, and chock full of excellent content. But there's a catch. You've designed your site with desktop users in mind, ignoring the fact that a significant portion of internet users are browsing on their smartphones. In comes mobile-first indexing, a game-changer in the world of SEO. It's Google's way of saying, we prioritize mobile-friendly content. This means that the search engine giant predominantly uses the mobile version of your website for indexing and ranking. If your site isn't optimized for mobile, you risk falling behind in search rankings, potentially losing out on valuable traffic and conversions. But it's not just about pleasing the Google gods. Mobile-first indexing has significant implications for user experience as well. With the majority of people accessing the internet via their smartphones, a mobile-optimized site is essential for a seamless, user-friendly browsing experience. Think about it. Have you ever tried navigating a desktop-designed site on your smartphone? It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Frustrating, to say the least. Mobile users want information quickly and easily, without having to pinch, zoom, or squint to read tiny text. Therefore, if your site isn't mobile-friendly, you're not just risking your SEO rankings. You're also potentially alienating a vast pool of mobile users. And in today's digital age, that's a risk you can't afford to take. So, you see, mobile-first indexing isn't just some tech jargon to be brushed aside. It's a critical aspect of SEO that directly impacts your visibility in search results and the overall user experience you provide. And with the world becoming increasingly mobile-centric, it's more important than ever to ensure your site is optimized for mobile viewing. In the era of mobile-first indexing, mobile optimization is no longer optional, but a necessity. So, grab your smartphone and let's dive into the world of mobile optimization. How can you optimize your website for mobile-first indexing? Well, let's dive into the first couple of strategies that can help your website shine in a mobile-centric world. The first strategy is implementing a responsive design. Now, what does that mean? A responsive design ensures that your website adjusts itself according to the screen size and resolution of the device it's being viewed on. Whether your visitor is using a smartphone, a tablet, or a laptop, your site should provide an optimal viewing experience across all devices. This not only improves user experience but also signals to search engines that your site is mobile-friendly, boosting your chances of ranking higher in search results. So, how can you make your website responsive? You can use flexible layouts that adapt to different screen sizes, ensure images are scalable, and make sure your site's navigation is easy to operate on a mobile device. The second strategy is creating mobile-friendly content. Remember, mobile users are often on the go, so they prefer content that's concise, engaging, and easy to digest. To cater to their needs, consider breaking up large chunks of text into smaller, digestible paragraphs. Use descriptive headings to guide your readers through the content and put key information at the forefront. Also, keep in mind that on smaller screens, readability is paramount. Use a legible font size, maintain ample white space, and avoid cluttering your pages with too many elements. To sum up, a responsive design ensures your website looks great and functions well on all devices, while mobile-friendly content makes it easy for mobile users to engage with your site. Both these strategies work hand in hand to improve your website's mobile usability, which is a key factor in mobile-first indexing. A responsive design and mobile-friendly content form the backbone of your mobile optimization efforts. With these in place, you're well on your way to mastering mobile-first indexing. But there's more to learn, so stick around as we continue to unfold the secrets of mobile optimization. Ready for more mobile optimization strategies? Let's dive right in. Our third strategy revolves around page loading speed. Remember, mobile users are often on the move and don't have the time or patience for slow-loading sites. Every second counts, and a delay in page load time can lead to higher bounce rates and lower user engagement. So what can you do to speed things up? Start by compressing your images. Large, high-resolution images can slow down your page significantly. Use tools like TinyPng or ImageOptim to reduce the file size without compromising quality. Also, consider implementing browser caching. This technique temporarily stores data on a user's device, reducing the load on your server and speeding up page load times. And don't forget to trim the fat. Get rid of unnecessary elements that add to your site's weight. Every bit of streamlining helps. Now, onto our fourth strategy, structured data for mobile. Structured data, also known as schema markup, is essentially a language that search engines understand. It helps them decipher the context and relevance of your content, improving the accuracy of indexing and ranking. But how do you implement structured data? Well, Google's Structured Data Markup Helper is a great place to start. With this tool, you can generate the necessary code for various types of content, like articles, events, products, and more. Just select the type of data you want to mark up, paste in the URL or HTML of your page, and start tagging. Once you're done, add the generated code to your page's HTML, and voila, your content is now more understandable to search engines. With a fast-loading site and structured data, you're well on your way to mastering mobile-first indexing. But remember, optimizing for mobile isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires regular testing and tweaking. Stay tuned for our final scene where we wrap up our guide to mastering mobile-first indexing. Keep going, you're doing great. Mobile-first indexing is here to stay, and with these strategies, you're well equipped to meet the challenge. We've covered a significant amount of ground in this video, so let's take a moment to reflect. We started with understanding mobile-first indexing, the principle that Google predominantly uses the mobile version of content for indexing and ranking. This shift in Google's indexing strategy is in response to the rise in mobile internet users, ensuring their search experience is seamless and optimized. We then moved on to the importance of mobile-first indexing. It's not just about keeping up with Google's algorithms, but also about providing a better user experience. The more mobile-friendly your website is, the higher it can rank in search results, leading to increased traffic and visibility. From there, we delved into some key strategies to optimize for mobile-first indexing. We talked about the importance of a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions. We discussed creating mobile-friendly content that is concise, engaging, and easy to read on smaller screens. We underscored the need for swift page load times, as mobile users are often on the go and impatient. And finally, we highlighted the role of structured data in helping search engines understand the context of your content and index your site accurately. But remember, optimizing for mobile-first indexing is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing effort. As technology evolves and user behavior changes, so should your mobile optimization strategies. So stay vigilant, stay updated, and keep optimizing. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your website climb the search rankings. The world of SEO is continually evolving, and by staying ahead of the curve, you can ensure your website remains visible, relevant, and user-friendly in this mobile-centric era. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more SEO insights. We'll be back with more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of SEO. Until next time, happy optimizing.